So after removing the bolts, one here, the sheet has come out, and this is due to me keeping the bike for a very long time.
Didn't even get to cross.
So guys, we came near the Royal Enfield Technic Motors and preparing for the World Motorcycle Day ride. I'm here with Puneet. Hello. And Pawan, Sadris. So let's go in. Hi bro.
Hello. Hi.
Hi, namaskara.
ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿದೇಶದ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Santu bhai. Someone's very smart today. Okay, let's see what happens, guys. So hello guys, I came here near Lakshmipuram, VENKATESHWARA Enterprises. Here I'm getting my seat serviced, and also my trip meter and odometer isn't working. Along with the fuel gauge, I'll just check with the meter series. Ruby meter works here. Let's see how that goes. So after removing the bolts, one here, that's it. The sheet has come out, and this is due to me keeping the bike for a very long time. And I've also got this meter removed because my odometer and trip meter weren't working. So got to see. So guys, almost done with the meter. There was one rod like this, which was made of plastic, which they have replaced it with metal, which is a good thing. Now it's in packing. The steel ring goes there, and it's brilliantly working, guys. Now that's it. Case fiber, obviously. This was the old one, guys, where the blades, the thread blades were worn out, and yeah, look at the wear and tear. And this one, it took a beating, but it was worth it. So it was a brilliant job. So Pyro's bike has done a brilliant job with Ruby meter works, and brilliant pricing and excellent job done by them. He has replaced me with this one, with the metal one. Imagine, I can rely a long duration on that. So I will be back, guys, after assembly. I'll just do another video. I'll make another review on that. So guys, the meter is fixed. along with the headlight. So the work is done. Ruby meter works. You have the number down. You have both the numbers.
ಸರ್ 2 ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ
And have a view of that. So have the seat cover been doing there? Still not yet done. It's been stitched over there. Let's see how that goes. Yes, sir. Guys, there you have the brand new seat. It's brilliant feel, although. And Sri Venkateshwara Enterprises, Lakshmipuram Road. Finally, I was able to get the seats ready after a long time. I was not using the bike for a very long time, but however, finally now I'm doing this, and I'm going to get a sticker here on the brake master cylinder. Dude, a symbol to symbol, just a symbol. So we are gonna take 2, and one for my bike and one for God of War bike. So we'll see how that goes.
ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ಗಾಡಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು.
So there's another Dio here. They're making an orange strip over here. So on both sides.
ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
So they do number plates, graphic stickers, seat covers, and look at the quality, guys. It's pretty good for a long duration. Nice seats covers, and almost done. Let them print out, and then I'll take the sticker in hand and see how it reflects. And I think I'm troubling the boys here because it's a mess. It's a mess actually. Just for the 2 bolts to be placed in, they are struggling a lot. Finally, we got this done.
ಈ ಎತ್ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
ಎತ್ಕಡೆ
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅನ್ಬೇಕು.
ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೆತ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿತ್ತು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮೆತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಂಗೆ.
ಓ ನಾಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್. ಓಕೆ ತೋರಿಸು dude. And this is for God of War's bike. Let's see.